Hi everyone. Tonight for supper I'll be making air fryer deviled eggs. What all goes into the air fryer deviled eggs? 6 large hard-boiled eggs, cold, 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon seasoned salt, 2 large eggs, not boiled, these are raw eggs, 1 cup panko breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. For the filling, we need 3 tablespoons mayo, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon dill pickle juice, 1 teaspoon minced chives, dash of Tabasco sauce, salt and pepper to taste, and smoked paprika for garnish. So let's begin. Take your eggs, cut them in half, lengthwise, put the yolks in a bowl, and put the whites on a platter. Then set the yolk bowl aside. Take 3 shallow bowls, add your 1 cup of flour to the first bowl, and your 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt to the flour, and mix that up. The second bowl, put your 2 eggs in the second bowl and whisk them up. And I'm using a fisky, which is a combination of a fork and a whisk. Then the third bowl, add your 1 cup of panko crumbs, your 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, your 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and your 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and mix that up. Now I'm going to rearrange it because I got my eggs over here, so I'm going to put my flour, then my eggs, and then my panko backwards, first, second, and third. So you want to take and spray the bottom of your air fryer. I'm just spritzing it with a pump spritz of olive oil. That way it'll be ready when I put them in there. So these egg whites are more fragile than they used to be. I don't know what they do, feed their chickens or whatever. So I'm hoping they don't fall apart. But you put them in the flour, put it in the egg, and spread it around so it gets all in there. And then put it in the breadcrumbs. And then put it on your platter. And I'll finish that and I'll be right back. So take your egg whites, lay them in the basket cut side down. That one's going to be hard to fill. And then take your spritzer and spritz the top of them. And then put them in the air fryer. Hit air fry. We don't want to preheat, but we do want to turn. We want 400 degrees. And the temp time, we want 6 minutes. Flipping halfway through, which would be 3 minutes on each side. Then hit start. While your eggs are cooking, take your yolks and mash them up. Add your 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, your 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, your 1 teaspoon of pickle juice, your 1 teaspoon of minced chives, salt and pepper to taste, and a dash of Tabasco sauce. And mix this all up until nice and smooth. It's time to turn the food. Be very careful when you do that. And then you'll want to spritz the other side as well. And you want to cook these until they're brown and crispy. Right now they're not looking very crispy, but hopefully. And spritz them too. And put them back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. We'll check it to see if it's done. If not, we'll cook it for a little bit longer. All right, so after 6.5 minutes, we'll take these out. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to be able to get them out without them falling apart. Ouch, a little hot. Well, they sound crunchy. And as soon as I can get my dog to move, then fill them. And as soon as you fill them, then you serve them right away. Sorry, buddy just ran into the tripod. I just dropped the, ouch, I just dropped the egg in the filling. They're hot, so I'm just kind of doing them while they're on the platter. So here is the air fryer deviled eggs. Rounding out the meal is garlic parmesan chicken thigh. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Well, this looks different.
It's the eggs.
It's the eggs? Okay.
Yeah.
Huh. Is that shrimp or
No, it's just,
crab or?
no. The only thing different is I air fried them in panko.
Really?
Yeah, the filling is got chives in it, but other than that, and pickle juice, other than that, it's pretty much the same.
It almost has a seafood flavor to it.
Well, it does have all seasoned salt in the coating.
Maybe that's what it is. It's good. I like it.
It's good for a trick egg.
Yeah, that's a good trick egg. I like the crunch.
Is it hot?
Spicy hot or heat hot?
Heat hot.
Not
Okay.
bad. I like these. It doesn't taste like a deviled egg, but I like the crunch and I like the flavor also. And if anybody wants to know what the rest of this says, she can put it up on the screen. Anyway, I like these. They're really, really have a good flavor, and I really like the crunch.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.